Here's this brand new, never used Sanitaire SC688. I couldn't use it because it didn't have the screws for the bag mount, but now it does. This is basically, no, this is an SC679, but it has the fancy bag. I can't even remember the ST bags. Yeah, the really fancy kind that they have. So it's already adjusted properly, so here we go. So that is the Sanitaire SC688, brand new. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys want to see. I really don't know what video to make, but if there's anything here you guys want me to run for you on the video, don't hesitate. I've got some new machines, including some in the garage as well. So don't hesitate. Let me know what you want to see. Thanks for watching.